Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, Information Theory, the Big Idea. First 27 to 32 questions are to find out the paragraph from which the given statements have been taken. First statement is an explanation of the factors affecting the transmission of information. Information transmission को कौन से कारण affect करते हैं? This information has been taken from paragraph D. Let's see in the paragraph.
Noise usually means unwanted sounds which interfere with genuine information. So unwanted sounds इसे affect करते हैं. Next statement is an example of how unnecessary information can be omitted.
कैसे हम unnecessary information को omit मतलब निकाल सकते हैं?
This information has been taken from paragraph F. Let's see in the paragraph.
Shannon also laid the foundations of more efficient ways of storing information by stripping out superfluous bits from data contributing little real information. As mobile phone text messages like CNCI show, it is often possible to leave out a lot of data without losing much meaning. So यहाँ बताया है कि किस तरह आप unnecessary information को stripping out मतलब remove कर सकते हैं. Next statement is a reference to Shannon's attitude to fame. Shannon का attitude fame के बारे में क्या है? This information has been taken from paragraph B. Let's see in the paragraph. It was the longest distance repair job in history and a triumph for the NASA engineers. But it also highlighted the astonishing power of the techniques developed by American communication engineer Claude Shannon, who had died just a year earlier. Shannon showed an early talent for math and for building gadgets, and made breakthrough in the foundations of computer technology when still a student. तो इस पूरे पैराग्राफ में शैनन ने क्या क्या किया और फेम अचीव की के बारे में बात हो रही है. Next statement is details of a machine capable of interpreting incomplete information. एक ऐसी मशीन जो incomplete information को समझा सकती है. This information has been taken from paragraph A. Let's see in the paragraph.
Other codes have become part of everyday life, such as the Universal Product Code, or barcode, which uses a simple error detecting system that ensures supermarket checkout lasers can read the price even on, say, a crumpled bag of crisps.
मतलब ये अगर कोई बेच टूटा फूटा या मुड़ा हुआ भी हो तो उसका सही प्राइस पढ़ लेता है. Next question is a detailed account of an incident involving information theory. एक ऐसा इंसिडेंट जिसमें information theory involved थी. This information has been taken from paragraph A. Let's see in the paragraph. In April 2022 an event took place which demonstrates one of the many applications of information theory. The space probe, Voyager 1, launched in 1977, had sent back spectacular images of Jupiter and Saturn and then soared out of the solar system on a one-way mission to the stars. Next statement is a reference to what Shannon initially intended to achieve in his research. Starting में Shannon अपनी research से क्या पाने का इरादा रखता था? This information has been taken from paragraph C. Let's see in the paragraph. He set out with an apparently simple aim to pin down the precise meaning of the concept of information. Next 33 to 37 questions are to complete the notes. This is about the Voyager 1 space probe. Let's start. First one is, the probe transmitted pictures of both dash and dash, then left the dash. Probe ने इन दोनों की pictures ली और यहाँ से निकल गया. Let's see in the paragraph. The space probe Voyager 1 launched in 1977, had sent back spectacular images of Jupiter and Saturn and then soared out of the solar system. So first answer is Jupiter and Saturn, and next answer is solar system. Then come to the next question. Scientists feared that both the dash and dash were about to stop working. Scientists को डर था कि ये दोनों चीजें काम करना बंद कर सकती थी. Let's see in the paragraph. Sensors and circuits were on the brink of failing and NASA experts realized that they had to do something or lose contact with their probe forever. So its answer is sensors and circuits. Next question is, the only hope was to tell the probe to replace them with dash, but distance made communication with the probe difficult. सिर्फ एक उम्मीद थी प्रोब को बताना कि वो इसके साथ रिप्लेस कर दे, पर डिस्टेंस की वजह से प्रोब से कम्युनिकेट करना मुश्किल था. Let's see in the paragraph. The solution was to get a message to Voyager 1 to instruct it to use spares to change the failing paths. So its answer is spares. Next question is, a dash was used to transmit the message at the speed of light. एक ऐसी चीज यूज की गई जो लाइट की स्पीड से मैसेज को ट्रांसमिट करती थी. Let's see in the paragraph. By means of a radio dish belonging to NASA's Deep Space Network, the message was sent out into the depths of space. Even traveling at the speed of light, it took over 11 hours to reach its target. So its answer is radio dish. Next 38 to 40 questions are true, false and not given. First question is, the concept of describing something as true or false was the starting point for Shannon in his attempts to send messages over distances. किसी चीज का ट्रू और फॉल्स डिस्क्राइब करना शैनन के दूर तक मैसेज भेजने के अटेम्प्ट का शुरुआती पॉइंट था. He set out with an apparently simple aim to pin down the precise meaning of the concept of information. The most basic form of information, Shannon argued, is whether something is true or false. So its answer is true. Next question is, the amount of information that can be sent in a given time period is determined with reference to the signal strength and noise level. कितनी information भेजी जाएगी ये उसकी signal strength and noise level पे depend करता है. Let's see in the paragraph. In particular, Shannon showed that noise sets a limit on the rate at which information can pass along communication channels while remaining error-free. This rate depends on the relative strength of the signal and noise traveling down the communication channel and on its capacity. So its answer is true. Last question is, products have now been developed which can convey more information than Shannon had anticipated as possible. अब ऐसे प्रोडक्ट बन चुके हैं जिनकी मदद से शैनन की उम्मीद से ज़्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन भेजी जा सकती है.
Let's see in the paragraph. As recently as 1993, engineers made a major breakthrough by discovering so-called turbo codes, which come very close to Shannon's ultimate limit for the maximum rate that data can be transmitted reliably. So it was close to Shannon's ultimate limit, so it was not more than that. Therefore its answer is false. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.